Hello, dear Taurus. A very good morning to you guys. So this is like reading for all those who are in no contact or in separation with their particular person right now. So we will tap into your partner's energy, what they are feeling for you, their current feelings for you, what you are feeling for them, what they want from you, and what to expect from this person till the end of June. So let's see, Taurus. These are quick readings. So we will not clarify anything. We will just pull out the cards and see what will come. Let's see, Taurus. Your partners or your person, whomsoever you are in no contact with right now. This person's feelings for you, current feelings for you. This person's current feelings for you are. Shit. Taurus. This person's current feelings for you are. Ten of Cups. I feel like Taurus, whomsoever you were connected with, this person feels like you are their family, you are their happiness. They want to marry you, they want to have a family with you, they want to, make a happy family life with you, stable life with you, stable married life with you. This is what they feel about you. They feel like you are their happiness, they feel like you are their family, they feel like they still carry a lot of love for you. Okay, what do you feel for this particular person, Taurus? What do you feel for this particular person? What do you feel for this particular person? What do you feel for this particular person, Taurus? Page of Pentacles. I feel like Taurus, you want to talk to this person. Page of Pentacles. You want to talk to this person and you want to tell them, like you want to give them some kind of friendship offer, might be. You want to start all over again, might be. Or you want to offer them some kind of financial thing, financial help. It could also mean that there is some kind of messages that you want to deliver to this particular person. But these messages are not of love or something like that. These messages are very plain and dull and simple, might be a simple hi or might be just a start of a friendship. This is what you feel. This is what you feel for, about this particular person right now, Taurus. Let's see what this person wants from you, Taurus. What this person wants from you. Let's see what this person wants from you, Taurus. What this person wants from you is King of Swords. They want clarity. King of Swords. They want clarity. I feel like this person is in some kind of confusion right now. They are feeling like this relationship have the potential, or you still have lots of feelings for them because they have lots of feelings for you, and that is why this person wants to seek clarity from you. This person wants to seek the truth from you. This is what they want. They want clarity. They want you to not. They want you to be very clear and honest with them. They want you to not to hide your feelings for them or conceal your feelings for them. This is what they want, clarity and honesty from your side. They are seeking the truth. They are trying to seek the truth from you. This is what they want. So what to expect from this person till the end of June? What to expect from this person till the end of June? Taurus. What to expect from this person till the end of June? Silence. The High Priestess. I feel like this person is going to listen to their intuition. I feel like this person will come towards you, but I feel like this person is going to be very silent. They're not going to reveal their feelings for you to you. Okay, so I feel like they are trying to seek the peace, inner peace, and they are trying to make you feel like they're very occupied and they're very busy. They don't give a shit to this relationship. They don't want this relationship. I feel like this person is going to conceal their feelings, hide their feelings from you. And I feel like this person is not going to talk to you on that emotional level. Even though they want to, they are dying from inside to talk to you. But this person is going to give you the silent treatment if they are already giving you the silent treatment or you guys are in no contact with each other. This is what they are going to do till the end of June, Taurus. Yeah. Although they feel like you are their happiness and you are their family, they want clarity from you, they want the truth from you, and they are going to be silent as fuck. This is what they are going to do till the end of June. So thank you so much for tuning in, Taurus. This is mini readings, this is quick readings for you guys, and this is Anjali Tarot. Namaste. God bless you.